Your holiday ham just isn't complete without that perfect glaze, which is why today we're making Chris Lilly's spicy apricot glaze. Coming up. Hey, welcome back to Adrenaline Barbecue. I'm Jabin Postal, and today I want to show you how to make Chris Lilly's spicy apricot glaze, which is going to go great on your next holiday ham. Just like always, the full recipe for this glaze will be in the description box below, so make sure to click down there to see everything that you need. Okay, so to get started with this delicious apricot glaze, you're first of all going to need a half a cup of apricot preserves. Next, you're going to need a half a cup of honey, followed by 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and then in here we have 1.5 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, as well as a half teaspoon of soy sauce. Next, we have a half a teaspoon of paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon of sage flakes, and 1/16 of a teaspoon of ground cloves. All right, this recipe is real simple to do. In fact, all we need to do is combine all of our ingredients and whisk it together. So I always begin with my wet ingredients. So our honey, our Worcestershire, and our soy sauce. Place that in. And then our Dijon mustard. Next, take your brown sugar, then grab all of our spices and place that over top. Once you have all your ingredients together, we're just gonna take a whisk and we're gonna begin to incorporate all of these flavors together. You'll notice that as you're whisking it, it starts to become nice and smooth and has a really nice glaze consistency. Once your glaze is all mixed together, the only thing left to do is get it on your ham and enjoy the feast. This glaze is sweet with a little bit of spice and packed full of flavor. I know you're gonna love it for sure. If you like what we're doing on this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, as well as leave a comment down below on how much you loved this glaze recipe. I'm Jabin with Adrenaline Barbecue Company, where we didn't invent the kettle, we perfected it. See you next time.